Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is teacher Natasja from MyTuitionA'Plus. Today, I'll be giving a class on Science Year 6, Unit 3, Movement. So we'll be talking about three components. Firstly is the concept of speed, and then we'll be comparing which travels faster in this section. And then lastly, we'll be talking on the formula to calculate speed. So let us go through it one by one. Firstly, what is speed? Speed means the measurement of how fast an object moves, which corresponds to our topic movement. Okay? So, in general sense, an object that travels faster will go to a greater length of distance. So now let us look at the comparison. Which travels faster? Slower objects or faster objects? In order to test which travels faster, we need to test it at a given time, a specific time. The same amount of time given for both speeds of object to travel a distance. Once we conduct the experiment, we'll be able to identify that objects that travel faster will cover a greater distance as compared to objects that travel slower in a specific time. So that is the general idea of speed. Now let's look at the formula used to calculate speed. How do we calculate speed? Basically, the formula is speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay? But to remember easier and to help students to remember how to calculate speed or how to find the distance or even how to find the time, we are given the speed triangle formula. So D represents distance, S represents speed, and T represents time. So in this triangle, distance equals to speed multiplied by time. For speed, it is equal to distance divided by time. And for time, it is equal to distance divided by speed. As you look into the formula of the triangle, you'll be able to notice that everything that goes downwards can be calculated in divide. Everything that goes sideways will be calculated in multiples. Okay? So for example, we are looking for the speed of it. The speed, okay, close that, is equal to distance divided by time. For example, if we would like to look at the distance, close the distance, it is equal to speed times time. If we want to look at the speed, close the time, it is distance divided by speed. That is how we remember the speed formula. Okay, so let's look at an example. For example, Sam kicked the ball. The ball moves 9 meters in 3 seconds. Now it's asking us calculate the speed. The solution to this is like this. Now the question wants speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay? So, in order to look at speed, let's let S be speed. The distance, which is given, 9 meters, divides by 3 seconds is equal to 3. So the speed is 3 meters per second. So that concludes the lesson for today. Thank you.